Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Al Ashworth. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals, roof rails, privacy glass, and much more. This compact crossover SUV has the performance, features, and cabin accommodations to keep up with the leaders in its class. This RAV4 has 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this RAV4 is in great condition. It has very clear projector beam headlamps with auto off, along with fog lights and acoustic noise reducing windshield, and a really nice chrome accented grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This RAV4 has all-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 25 miles per gallon on an average. Let's not forget that this RAV4 only has 68,582 miles on it. At the back of the RAV4 you can see the antenna, the rear spoiler, and the rear wiper, along with the LED high mount lamp, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this RAV4 has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrests with cup holders as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice silver accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This RAV4 is also equipped with door bins, in-dash storage, and a digital clock. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, the power windows with jam protection, and driver express up and down. This RAV4 has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilt and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. And again, thank you very much.